Follow the steps on how to edit photos with a glowing effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Before that, I will crop it. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Next, select Object. Here I use the Curvature Pen tool to select in detail. After the path is closed, right-click and make selection. Create a new path on the inner frame line. Right-click again and select Subtract from Selection. Do the same on the frame next to it. Next, make mask. Duplicate this layer and convert to Smart Object. Change the mode to Linear Dodge. Next, go to Filter and add Gaussian Blur. Duplicate layer and edit Gaussian Blur with a larger value. Select the background layer, add hue saturation. You can set it like this. Select this thumbnail. Activate the brush tool. Set the hardness to 0. And the opacity to about 5%. Adjust the brush size. Make sure black is on top. Apply to the image. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.